Yes, sir. We back in the cut. We back in the cut, y'all. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. So, right now, we're going to get some damn fruit snacks at the other corner store. And drinks and shit. So, I hope y'all have y'all fruit snacks and y'all drinks and shit. But, y'all already know it's about to go down, man. It's about to go down today. It's going to be a little something. About to see. I think we're gonna see some GTRs today, man. We're gonna see some GTR 30, 34, 35, whatever the fuck you call it. But yeah, it's gonna go down today. Right now I'm putting gas in my tank. And we about to head there, y'all. We're gonna head there. So I need y'all to smash that like button and smash that damn subscribe button, man. For sure. So we at Tomball. Y'all already know we had made it to the destination. And they just showing off. People are just not getting here, and they are revving. Come on now. Hey. Yeah, let me see. That thing sound crazy, man. Ooh. Sit there and lock it in. You gotta be quiet for a little bit. Oh yeah. Hey, I'll get your. At the Infinity. Infinity crazy. Check out the detail. Carbon fiber on the Infinity logo, bro. That is crazy. The wheels too is sick. Oh damn, he took out the back. And he only have one seat. He had a driver's seat. That's it. He took out the passenger seat and the back seat. That's crazy. That is crazy, gang. Carbon fiber on the trunk. Oh shit, I don't know if y'all can see it and tell, but this is carbon fiber on the trunk. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. But we about to go up in here, man. This got the vape wellness, it got everything up in here. This thing crazy. Even though I don't smoke or do nothing, I don't do none of this stuff. But this store is, look, clean as hell though. Bro, like, if I was smoking or doing any type of vape, like this is a lit ass store right here. Like soon when you come inside, this mud is long as hell. 1 out of 10 out of the store, bro. This mud is on 100. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This is dope. I don't even smoke. Well, let me get out of here. I don't even smoke, y'all. I don't even do drugs, but this beanie goes stupid though. That beanie dope though, right there. Pretty dope, dope. That's big tub. What's good?
It's still being built, but I just wanted to pull it out of the garage stuff. Just bring it, something small. So.
Yeah, I told him, man, I seen you been coming, you came to Northside meet and stuff, and you didn't have no barber, but I see the process on it, man. Process gonna looking sick, bro.
Thanks, man.
No cap.
Hopefully within like the next 2 weeks we should be done.
The whole thing.
I got the wheels coming right now. The wheels should be here next week. Front bumper is getting done right now. The other one, the second one. It's the same exact one, just a new one. Okay. That one's getting wrapped. The rear bumper's getting wrapped, and then that's it, bro.
That's dope as hell,
so here within.
You gonna paint it the same color, everything gray?
No, it's all wrapped, yeah. So it's gonna be all wrapped.
Oh, okay. Dang, I didn't even know it was wrapped. It was like,
it was good, right?
That's crazy. This is crazy. That don't even look like wrap. That look like straight paint, y'all. It's dope.
So I'm in the process right now of bike body.
Okay.
So
this is crazy,
so I have
though.
the front bumper coming in, being wrapped right now. Nice. Rear bumper's being wrapped right now. So
carbon fiber on here and there, bro. That's crazy, bro. You got a big ass goddamn screen in there. That's crazy. That's crazy. Y'all tell me if y'all fuck with it in the comments. Y'all tell me.
I bought it.
Nah, Liberty Walk could be a bit wider. Yeah, Liberty Walk could be a bit wider, then you have to fucking drop the bitch to the ground, damn near. Cause I mean, it's low.
You can put them rims on a BMW too. It must look crazy on here.
Old racing.
Exactly, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this thing crazy, bro. Y'all tell me what this is. This is a Z, right? Or this I keep getting the other one, the Z's and that mixed up, but that's crazy. That hood on there is crazy, y'all.
Look at my nose, man.
Trump crazy. That mud crazy. This nigga was digging his nose. Oh my god. This nigga just digging his nose, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga just digging his motherfucking nose. Bro, this shit is crazy, bro. Like I just said when I was over here, bro. I walked over here and this motherfucker, this damn engine got fucking abs on it, bro. God damn. This hoe been doing crutches. He got a muscle ass inside car, bro. Like, this is crazy. What you think about the abs, man?
Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Bro, that is crazy all the way, bro. But this is tough though.
I've never seen a car with so much muscle.
So much muscle, bro. He been working out, like he been working out his car. His car be doing exercise.
Like a motherfucker.
Like that motherfucker be doing about 500 crutches. That's crazy. Let me find out a car is a transformer. This bitch is a transformer, bro. No cap, bro. This hoe is a transformer, y'all. Look at the abs. Ain't gonna lie, he wiping the baby oil off that damn car. He wiping the ass and then, oh, price of 300. It better have the engine in there.
Yeah.
No cap.
I was out at off 1488 last night. I swear to God, there was 4 of these motherfuckers with that Hellcat in them.
Bro, that hoe not had a Hellcat. That's crazy.
Nah, that's not a Hellcat. That's just the SRT8. That's a 5.7 Hemi.
That hoe sound crazy though. That motherfucker sound crazy.
May King.
Yes sir, shout it out, boy.
Hey, screws the May King, bro. Go follow the Insta, man. Show some love.
Yeah, this is my bike boy, man. My boy be riding the bikes, man.
Yeah.
Boy be on that shit, boy, in the roads, man.
It's that Houston lifestyle on God.
Hey, let's take a look at his bike though. I'm gonna show y'all his bike, man.
My hybrid.
Yeah, it's a hybrid.
It's a dual sport. You can go off-road and on-road.
And the main thing I like is this motherfucking helmet too. But my boy said he about to work on this. He about to suit this motherfucker up, and y'all shall see. When he suit up, I'm gonna show y'all, bro. I'm gonna show y'all what this bike is about, bro. I'm gonna show y'all, definitely.
Stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
It's late right now.
We got shells over there, man. Damn, that gas high as hell, bro. No cap. Shit. But they do got some damn Arizonas over there, though.
At least it ain't no.
Yes, sir.
Hey, at least it ain't no $5, $10 like it used to be.
No cap.
I went and popped the hood.
Oh, he got the yellow lights. I like that. I like that shit. Not the yellow light. I say yellow lights, purple lights. Shit. Let's see if he gonna do it for me, y'all, with this Challenger. Let's see if the Challenger they're gonna do it for me. He all the way over there. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This don't, it don't look like Houston down here. It look like I'm in fucking goddamn Kentucky, wherever, Kentucky. Hit that hole, hit that hole, hit that hole. Yeah. Let me down. The Challengers never let me down, y'all. That's crazy. Yes, sir. Where my boy at? Cause he was like he with the car, like crazy. My boy about to get smacked with the car, man. You lucky I had caught you on time, bro.
Oh God.
Cause if I didn't catch you, you was gonna run into that shit, bro.
I walked in
What?
there. I told
The
him,
car.
I was like, I almost died. He was like, yeah, my bad. I was like,
Let that be me. I would have slapped the fuck out of his ass. Soon got the car. He seen you. She a baddie too. I ain't gonna lie to you. She a big baddie. Y'all tell me in the comments if y'all fucking with it or not. Y'all tell me in the comments. The big long wing. like that. She a little baddie, y'all. She a little something. Okay.
Hey, did this used to be a Buc-ee's?
Bro, this a long ass shell, bro. Look how big this hole is. This hole damn near motherfucking Buc-ee's, y'all. In a corner, it's not a corner store where Arizona drink. Let's see if they pass the test. Let's see if this corner store passed the test. Arizona, 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 Arizona. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for. Okay, yep, they do. Up top here. Oh shit.
What fuck talking about? I ain't met nobody cool as the book.
For real?
Everybody weird, bro.
Bro, I already know,
Everybody
bro.
feel like they too good to fuck with you and shit.
Yes, think I should do it.
That's all you. You got it.
Hey, she look kind of straight though. She don't got a little hand on her, but she got a little something. You feel me? She got a little something in the car. In the car. Man, don't play. Boy, don't play. I'm about to do it, y'all. How y'all doing? How you doing?
James is a fucking asshole.
She said James is a fucking ass. How you doing? What's your name?
Okay.
What's your name?
I'm Kaylin.
Do you know you like Kylie Jenner or something? Like right now, like you're like a 3.0 of her. Not to be rude, but dead ass. But I like your style though. I like the tattoos and stuff.
Thank you.
So look, let me ask you a question. Are you single?
Yeah, actually.
Oh, you are. Cute as this. Okay, okay. So you ever been with a rock star?
No.
You wanna see how it is being with a rock star?
Oh.
That's a yes. Cause look, I'll be the first one. I'll definitely be the first one. Definitely.
Backing it.
Oh, they about to run me. Oh, okay. D, everybody got a goddamn Ford around here. I ain't gonna lie, this one's sick.
We're supposed to take it over this shit. I like Ford.
But look, I was seeing if I can get your number and stuff, that's cool with you, get to know you.
Yeah, sure.
What is that? Being with me is like being in the movies, you feel me? Real shit. So you from Tomball? You from here? Where you from? Oh, okay. You right by me. So what about you?
I'm in the Woodlands.
Okay, you're not that far. Okay, okay. So you must be going to Cars and Coffee too, huh?
Yep.
Real shit. So look, we should go on the Cars and Coffee date someday. Oh no.
I think it's so tough. It is so tough.
I know that's so tough. And it's a fresh Arizona drink, bro. In the corner store without Arizona drink. Oh my god. Oh, it's on his tire? Oh, yeah. Thank you. That's crazy. So this y'all first meet or
No.
how many meets you went to?
Too many? Yeah.
So you go to Northside. So I need you to bring this little bad boy out here though. This bad boy here. How long you had it for?
3 months.
3 months. 3 months? How many miles you got on it?
11,000.
11,000? You got it when it was 0? Damn, where the hell you been going?
I travel a lot.
God damn, she be going out of town. You went straight out of town when you got this, huh?
I got it out of town.
Oh, where at?
New Mexico.
Oh, you a bad girl. Okay. Okay, you a bad girl. Okay. And you drove it all the way back here? That's dope as hell. That's dope. That is dope. 24/7. So when you gonna let like we're gonna do a POV, so you should drive and I'll be in the passenger. I want to see you hit this thing, you feel me? We should do a video of that. So hey y'all, if y'all get this video, look, we ain't gonna do too much. Just give it 10 likes, y'all. Just give it 10 likes and we'll do it. 10 likes 10 likes and we'll do it. Think you should get 10 likes? 11. Oh yeah, she upping the price on it. She upping the price. So yeah, we should do that. Definitely. So what y'all got going on for after here?
I haven't eaten anything, so I'm glad to eat.
What you like to eat? She said steak. Oh, so I know what you like now. I definitely know what you like. Definitely. What about you? So you just like you're not too picky with shit.
Nah.
So So, do you like Cane's? Panda Express? What else? What else is good, y'all? What else? Zaxby's? Chipotle. Oh yeah, of course. Everybody named mama like Chipotle. Come on, everybody named mama like.
I don't like Chipotle because Mexican shit was fucking nasty. Really? The kids like. Ooh.
You said Chipotle in Mexico was nasty?
Yeah, it was fucking bad.
One of them much. I ain't gonna lie. What?
That was on like basically a lower boost setting, so that's like about 32 pounds. Like it can go all the way to like 44, like 1600.
That's a damn cheat code, bro. That's a goddamn cheat code. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
I need to talk about.
Sexy, y'all. I know I'm sexy. I know I'm sexy.
Starting tomorrow, working all the way to the.
Look, I try to go in Shipley Donuts and it's not fucking open, y'all. That's the thing that pissed me off. Shipley Donuts not open, but all these other things is open right here. But I try to walk in there, the door is locked, the lights is off. So I'm like, fuck. Yes, sir. Look at that. Pushing them things, I ain't gonna lie. They pushing
Yes,
They
sir.
pushing them things.
You already know how it goes, bro.
Yes, sir.
Them niggas go crazy out there.
Oh shit. My boy right here.
What's up? What's up? One guy, Doug. I think he looks like Doug.
Little girl.
Bro, on these tippy toes.
My boy is short, ain't
Bro needs to get a grom.
I'm on his ass. I'm on his ass, boy. Gotta lower that damn bike.
Oh shit, bring that swing on down, bro.
Bro, you can't even see this nigga's face, bro.
You can't kind of from the front, but mostly it's hard.
You cannot see nothing in his damn. That Mustang crazy right there too. I ain't gonna lie to you, the Mustang crazy. Out in, can't work out like this little. Oh, hold on, watch it. They hit that. Hey, that light hitting the right way on this bitch though. Big scuba head out. What? Oh shit.
That's good, bud.
What's good, man?
It's safe.
I like your hair, man.
Oh yeah, appreciate you.
Bro, this shit hitting right. The sunlight is hitting right on this hole.
Oh yeah.
Is it actually for a selfie?
It's clean, bro. You see I park alone, man. See I park alone.
Bro, goddamn smoke shop. Goddamn look like a damn Galleria mall in that bitch. Goddamn designer store.
He
She just in there.
I'm busting on dudes. We already know I got.
Whoa! Whoa! I know he did not say that. Whoa!
Nah, bro.
Hey, neck him. You gotta neck him for that.
My water. Hey, listen. Possibly I spit every word in the glossary. There ain't no stopping me. You know I got that cock in me. Oh wait, fuck. There.
What? What hit him? Hit him? What? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Thick chicks, huh? Big dicks. Oh fuck. Damn, hold on.
As you trip.
Oh.
Sitting at.
Definition of literally tripping.
Hey, listen. I'm sitting at Casamigos with my amigos, huh? They turned me into a freak hoe. Oh wait, oh shit. Oh fuck.
Animal control. No cow.
Fucking wild.
Bro, I'm realizing the seats in this thing, bro, is crazy.
Oh shit! I didn't even look at the inside.
Look at my carbon fiber paddle shifters.
Yeah, you gotta open this thing up. Open. She got red
TL?
guts. Bro, oh my god, hold up. She bougie. She bougie, hold up. She big
Inside.
bougie. Hold up, she big bougie.
She is pimping.
Damn, she got.
That's his empty beer, not mine.
Oh shit. Bro, look at this.
You just made my whole
The
night.
paddles. Oh my god, the paddles. Bro, look at this right here. This is crazy. Then she got, oh my god, this car's sick, bro. She got red guts and every, bro, you bougie. You big bougie. Let me close the door on that. You big bougie. She got diamonds on the.
We have subs too. About to. We got the amp. We don't have the subs yet.
She get this car her heart. This is her pure love. I can see that right now. I never seen nobody put this on their car right here, y'all. Look at this.
It's because I wear rings.
Oh Lord,
It
G.
protects it from you scratching with your rings.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Say period.
Period.
Period. Period. No go. You took the passion. Look, he took the passenger seat out this hole. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. He took the Damn. This thing got extra cushion.
Yes,
What the hell?
My ass be hurting.
Bro, let's be honest now. Since you took that passenger seat out of here, it been an easy way to fuck in here, huh? Easy way. I don't.
It's easy as fuck.
You know, hey, you know what I mean, right? You know.
I didn't even hear you, but I'll agree to this shit. He said without the passenger seat there, it's easy to fuck up.
Yeah, it's.
You need to fuck over an egg.
Bro, you.
Sharp turns, banging her head into the console. in the
Bro,
door.
you can do so many positions. That's damn near a hotel room, bro. That's damn near a hotel room, bro. Nah, you
Get a little twin size air mattress.
can get some good old head, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Just
That's
chilling
dope.
out in the back seat. She got the whole fucking section right there.
Bro, you know what you need to go into? The drive-in movies. Take your date to drive-in movies. You're gonna have a good time, bro. You're gonna have a good time. Drive-in movies. I'm not gonna lie. Don't tell me I told y'all so, okay? Drive-in movies. Look at she. She like. Yes, sir. That's crazy. It's Audi crazy stupid, bro. Oh yeah. Oh, I know who this is. This old boy. This old boy that be cleaning his Audi, yeah. Alright. I like this wing on this thing. This carbon fiber wing. He got two wings on there, bro. No, he fucked that up. Why you take the other wing off?
I got people fucking with me just because a nigga land. I know I had to do it like I'm crazy from the cities. She wanna.
So we at Cane's, Raising Cane's right now, and we about to Raising Cane's up. I already know my boy right here, man. What you get? You get the cognac or the box combo? You said a 350.
The 3 finger.
Oh, the 3 finger. Oh, okay. So look, we about to go pull up on this car and scare their ass. We about to scare the fuck out their ass. Oh shit, got into the car pulled up. Nah, that's a different car. You ready for this? Alright. We're just gonna pull up and pull up for him. What? Turn. You cannot park here. You cannot park here. You cannot smoke marijuana. Calling the cops.